Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Cinderella from Disney Princess in Dress and Press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose all these hairstyles and then you're going to color it with this color for all the selection. And then you're going to put on this earring, make it this color. And this necklace, make it like this. You can combine it white color and this blue color. And then this necklace, make it black. And then this item, and you're going to color it like this and make it glitter. And this heels, you can make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on this corset, this one. Okay, and then for the color, you're going to color it with this blue color. Okay, just make them blue for all the selection. And after that, you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, and sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and you can put on the sleeves, and then you're going to make it blue. This blue color, and then you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and then for the corset, you're going to combine it with this one, and then we're going to make it the same blue color, and you're going to change the material to glitter. Alright, done. And then I'm going to put on the gloves from here. We're going to remove the fur. Okay, and then for the gloves, I'm going to make it this color and make it glitter. Alright, and move to the world culture clothing area. And then you're going to put on the skirt, combine it with this one, and you're going to make it blue, the same blue color I have applied before, this one, and then this one. And then you're going to make it glitter. Done for the skirt and combine it with this dress. Then you can choose only skirt and make it blue. Okay, and change the material to glitter. Okay guys, let's move to the next area. We're gonna go to the changing room. And go to this menu, select this skirt, and then you're going to make it this color. Oops, for the first selection, I'm going to make it this color. Okay, for the next selection, you're going to make it this color. And the next one, make it this color. And you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay guys, now it's done, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Cinderella in Dress and Press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!